Hey there, folks. Get ready to discover an incredibly simple way to earn $4 in just under 30 seconds. It's as easy as hitting a button. In today's video, I'm about to spill the secrets to this money-making hack, and it's a gift for everyone out there. No fancy knowledge or special skills required. Just grab your device and get ready to dive in, whether you're in New York or India. All you need is a device and an internet connection. I've got your back with step-by-step instructions, so don't worry. You've done all the legwork. All you have to do is stay tuned, and I promise you're about to hit the jackpot. Let's get started. Our first tool is twitch.tv. You can find the link in the description below. Here, you'll discover a plethora of videos, with most of them focused on gaming content. We're about to turn these videos into cash machines. Scroll through and explore various videos. It's like finding a gold mine. Now, focus your attention on the Fortnite category, the holy grail of gaming content. This is where the magic happens. Trust me, click on it, and you'll be in the Fortnite section. People are hungry for this stuff. Next, it's time to explore OK.io, where the money-making magic really kicks in. It's as simple as pie, I promise. Watch and learn. First, register for a free account on OK.io. Once you're in, it's time to shorten those long URL. Imagine I've got this video link copied and pasted on this very page. Now, hit that shorten button. This is your golden ticket. The shortened link is where the fun begins. Every click on this link means money in your pocket. Yes, you heard me right. You're getting paid just for the clicks. And here's the kicker. How much you earn depends on where these clickers are coming from. For instance, Germany is offering $5 per click, while the USA is adding an extra 10 cents. It's a worldwide money fiesta. As for the secret sauce, people from all over the globe are banking serious cash just by dropping a shortened link on this site. It's like free money falling from the sky. Currently, there's a whopping 300,000 plus strong community on this site. The best part is they've got a buffet of payment options, including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfers. Let's get you signed up. Hit that sign up button, enter a username, your email, a password, and hit submit. Welcome to the money-making club. It's a fresh account with no links and no earnings. But just wait. We're about to change that. All right, folks, it's time for the nitty-gritty. We're diving back into twitch.tv. Grab any 3 videos. Let's start with the first one. Hit that share button and grab the URL. Next, head to our account dashboard. Paste that twitch.tv link. Hit shorten, and voila. You've got a shortened link. Do the same thing 2 more times to complete 3 videos. We're on fire now. As a huge thank you for sticking around until the end, I'll give you a bonus tip. You're in for a treat. Allow me to introduce you to forums.seegamer.com. But before we wrap up the video, do me a favor. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more money-making content. Now, about forums.seegamer.com. It's an online arena where gaming enthusiasts from every corner of the globe gather. It's open and free, welcoming everyone with a passion for gaming. There are no exclusive memberships or entry fees. It's just a shared love for the gaming world. Now, picture this. We've got a template, a magical money-making formula. Copy, paste, and share it within the gaming community on the forum. It's like tossing a coin in a wishing well, and each click is a wish granted. The moment they click, that's your ticket to Cash Town. Fortnite isn't just a game. It's an opportunity, a gateway to financial success. Let's turn those Fortnite clicks into cash and keep the gaming community thriving. You're sprinting towards those financial goals, my friend. Let's make it rain money. Thank you again for rocking with us.